In how many ways can we arrange the letters in the word Mississippi? Alright. If you see here there are 11 objects or symbols. Okay, 11 symbols are there or 11 letter word this is. Okay. Now I is repeating 4 times, S is repeating 4 times, P is repeating 2 times, and hence the number of ways of arranging the letters in the word Mississippi is going to be 11 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Throughout the video, we will be discussing how we arrived at this formula. Suppose a word have letters which are not distinct. Okay. In that case, how we find the number of ways of arranging the letters in that word. That's what we will discuss in this video. Okay. So let's see. What is the number of permutations of the letters in the word task? So the answer is going to be 4 factorial, which is 24, right? Because in the word task, there are 4 letters and they are all distinct, right? There are 4 distinct letters and 4 positions available. And we know that will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 24 ways of arranging the. Now, number of arrangements of the letters in the word ball. Let's see. So, if you see the word ball, it has 4 letters in it, but they are all not distinct, and that's why the number of arrangements is not 4 factorial, right? We have 2 L's which are indistinguishable. The letter L is repeating, right? It is coming 2 times. Now, to find out the number of arrangements, let's see what happens if the 2 letters L are distinguishable instead of indistinguishable. Let's say we have 2 letters L which are distinguishable in such a way that we can rename it as L1 and L2. Okay. Now then we have 4 distinct symbols here which are B, A, L1 and L2. Now these 4 distinct symbols we can arrange in 4 factorial ways, right? So let's keep that in mind and let's look at the number of arrangements of the 4 letters in the ball. Okay. Now here is an enumeration that represents the arrangements for the letters in the word ball. Okay. We can see that we get 12 arrangements for the 4 letters in the word ball. If you see, for each arrangement in which the L's are indistinguishable, there are 2 permutations with distinct L's. So for example, if you see, we have BALL, that's one arrangement, right, where the L's are indistinguishable. Corresponding to that, we have 2 permutations where L's are distinct, where L's are distinguishable. That is BAL1L2 and BAL2L1, right? With that analysis, we come to this formula where we get 2 into number of arrangements of the letters in the word ball is same as the number of permutations of symbols BAL1 and L2, right? And we already know the number of permutations of the symbols BAL1, L2, which is 4 factorial, right? And that implies that the number of arrangements of the letters in the word ball is going to be 4 factorial by 2, which is 12. Okay, now let's see a similar question. What is the number of arrangements of all 9 letters in the word databases? Okay, so the word here is databases. We can see that the letter A is coming 3 times. The letter S is coming 2 times. Okay. Here we have 3 indistinguishable A's and 2 indistinguishable S. Okay. Now for each arrangement where the A's are not distinguished, there are 3 factorial, which is 6 arrangements with A's distinguished. Let's see. For example, corresponding to the arrangement databases DATA, BASCS, we have these 6 arrangements where A's are indistinguishable, right? You can see that, right? Now, for each arrangement where the A's are distinguished, we also have 2 arrangements where the letters S are distinguished, right? So you can see an example here. Here you can see that when the S are distinguished, we have 2 arrangements for each of the possible arrangements where the A's are distinguished, right? Now let's see what happens when A's and S are both distinguishable, right? When they are all distinguishable, it means that there are total of 9 distinct symbols, right? 9 different symbols are there, and we can arrange that in 9 factorial ways, right? For each of the 3 factorial arrangements where A's are distinguishable, there are 2 factorial ways of arrangements where S are distinguishable. Now, with that analysis, we come to the formula that 3 factorial into 2 factorial into number of arrangements of the letters in databases equal to number of permutations of the symbols D A1, T A2, B A3, S1, E S2, where we know that all 9 are different symbols, right? So, which means that we know that we can do that in 9 factorial ways, and from that we get the number of arrangements of the letters in databases as 9 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial, right? So, in general, if there are n objects with n1 indistinguishable objects of the first type, n2 indistinguishable objects of the second type, and nr indistinguishable objects of an rth type, where n1 plus n2 plus and so on plus nr equal to n. Then there are n factorial by n1 factorial into n2 factorial into and so on into nr factorial arrangements of the given n objects. Okay.